Well, hello, pottery friends. I have some things to show you. But let me first show you why I am extremely happy. Ta-da! Look at what I got! This morning, with help from my hubby, I collected my clay. Now, let me tell you something about Laguna. I have, as you can obviously see, already taken them out of the box. There are usually 2 in a box. But they are so bad at tying them up. I've had to twist and put the ties around all over every single time I get clay from them. And I get it. It comes out of the pug into the bag and somebody just whips on a rubber band, but it's never closed. And this is not going to be for just 1 week, so it needs to stay moist. So I have closed them all up, and there's also nothing on the bag, only on the box. So I've had to number them. I have 2 kinds of clay. They are essentially the same clay, but one is smooth and one is not. So I put the number on the bags, as you can see, and now I'm going to put them in there and maybe some in there so I can get to work. Yay, happy days. Yeah, does mean that by the end of the day I have held every bag 3 times, from collecting it to getting it there in the van, then here out the van, with which I had help from hubby. And now I've taken them all out of the bags, and now they are going to go in there. So yeah, I'll have my workout for today. And now let's get into some fun finished stuff. I'll be right back. So I've hauled all the clay into my big buckets, containers, cleaned my wheel because I was working with the last bit of the dark clay that I had while I was out of white. And now I want to show you something. I'm still sweating. Ta-da! I so love it. It's still a bit heavy, but if I make a new one, I'll think of that. But there it is. Our lock box. Not lock box, but lock box. That's different. That's difficult to pronounce differently for me. The box with a lock. There it is. Let me see. Yeah. There's the well, you could call it the piggy bank or tip jar, This is where the money goes, and does not open until I turn the lid, put it up there. You have to do that or else you don't know where to turn it and it won't open. And now it does open. Yay! Here's the inside with the mechanism. Difficult to do that when it's not on the table. There we go. So my slips transferred with by painting them on a piece of paper, transferred it on the pot. That's why it has this rustic look. Then carved and inlaid, waxed, carved and inlaid the darker colors. And after the bisque firing, I covered it in a very dark slip, wiped away to get it in all the crevices, and a clear glaze. Fired to cone 6. No, that was not a cone 6, that was a cone 5.5 fish. So there you have it. It's finally done. And I want to show you a few things that, well, haven't been on there yet. You know how I am madly in love, but with the satin patina. Hold on, let me go grab something. I want to show you something, if I can find it. I think I've shown you before. I'm not sure. Here they are. It came to be through a custom order for tiles, and this is the satin patina from Mako on the white clay. This was 2 coats, which is, as you can see, obviously not thick enough, except in the texture where it's a bit thicker. And this is the same on the black clay, the 391 from Laguna. You can hardly even see it, it eats it up. But I was thinking that the combination of this color with this clay is just, why am I making it so hard on me? It's just beautiful. So I had made an urn a while ago, which was not fired yet. So I put on white slip on that black clay and then the satin patina. Look at this beauty. That combination is so beautiful in my mind. And where the slip is a bit thinner, where you could see through the white slip, see through a little bit of the black clay, and the glaze was a bit thinner, it breaks in this beautiful golden brown. And right here there was a lot of white slip and I couldn't get that much glaze in there, I guess. I thought I did, but now it looks like this dragonfly has a halo. Isn't it gorgeous? This is one of my example urns. Of course it can be used as an urn, but the remains of an adult won't fit, it's too small. But it could, you know, you could put partially the remains partially in there, or maybe for a pet. Or I always have a few urns here just as examples to give people ideas if they want to order one. So I absolutely love this beautiful combination. Now for something also with the black clay that I do not love that much, same black clay, make some small cups, white slip again, and the glazes are pearl white, soft red by Spectrum, and a little bit of Norse blue. And I love how that Norse blue in combination turns a little bit purple, but I don't know. I just don't know. Is it bad? No. Am I in love? No. I have one other one. Let me know what you think. I just, you know, I've had these for a while. I put them in my cupboard in the kitchen just to look at it every now and then. And they haven't really grown on me. I'd love to know what you think. Okay, let me show you. I showed you my funky, quirky garden decor animals very quickly, and I thought I'd give you a close-up. This is Mighty Mouse. Look at his cute little face. He has a little flower which is on a piece of Micro wire, which I had it in there, and in the bisque firing it drooped. That little bit of clay was too heavy for the wire, so it drooped. So I took it out and glaze fired it separately and epoxied it back on, so it's all stuck in there. Look, a little bit of cheese. This is a combination of slips. Can I tell you which ones? Yes, I can. Hold on. I happen to have it here. This reddish brown it's a complicated one. 4 parts of a slip that contains 2 parts sunshine and 1 part red. This combined with 1 part of slip with chocolate brown. That's how I make this one. And this is just a pink slip. I think it's shrimp pink. And the other ones, this one with all the flecks is a jungle gem. And so is the yellow, the green, and this grayish. And the grayish one is actually this one. It's a gray one with brown flecks. It's number 780 Jungle Gem. And I just, didn't shake the bottle, so I didn't have that many of those crystals in it. There are a few. Look, there's one here. But I didn't want that many because I like that gray. And the black one is number, that's this one, 970. Oh, and the yellow with the red spots is 753, if you want to know. Yeah, I just, ooh, oh, there's something else standing here. What? Look, it's beeping up. Yeah, Mighty Mouse. Let's go to this one. This is one, oh, well, this one is, how did I make it? I threw the legs on the wheel, stuck them together with a slab around it, sculpted sort of kind of mousy face and arms. That's how I did this one. And it's just, you can put it, stand it on its own feet. This one doesn't stand on its own feet. That's why it's in a planter. If you look down, there are her feet flip-flopped. And I'll show you how it works. Ta-da! I made a sphere, hand-builded the sphere with a half-sphere mold. Big hole in the middle, on the bottom. Then, come out. I have 2 bamboo sticks, and I make the flip-flops with holes in them. So I stick the bamboo sticks in the soil and then stick her, I'll show you in a sec, on top. So now that's what she looks like. Now for the glazes, I used some Jungle Gems again. Let me show you. This is raspberry mist. The matte yellow on top of the part that is carved, I like that very much, is yellow ore. It's a glaze by, I think it's Mako. Yeah, it's Mako. I don't know, I don't remember what I did there. I did do a little black glaze in the eyes and looking a bit sad. Raspberry mist as well. And this is a Jungle Gem. It's, let me see which one. It's number 962. That's the what's it called? The dungaree. And this is Scandinavian Blue by Spectrum with, now I have to think, which one did I put on there? I don't remember. I put a Jungle Gem on top of Scandinavian Blue, and it's either, I think it's the 718, but it could be the 785. I don't remember. So there, I will lift you up once more. I think she's cute. And I have one other thing to show you. I did some experimenting with my black clay. It already has a plant in it. I want more of these, well, they're called raspas here, because the hummingbirds love them. I made a faux mosaic planter. So this is made from the black clay. And I put on sprigs like this. Here's a little sprig I made from a real shell, made a sprig, and now I have a shell there. This is from a stamp. This is also a stamp I made, little cactus, little fish. So I put some sprigs on. I then coated it in white slip. There's a car coming. I don't know if it's for me. No, it's not. Coated it in white slip. And then carved away the tiles. So I carved away the white slip to reveal the grout, so to speak. And I decorated it all different. There's some text in there. What's this? Love, a fish, a leaf, some raspberry mist here, some soft red here on this shell. These are slips, little flamingo. I love this idea, and I might make some more of this, although now I have my white clay and I'm going to have to get to work and get some orders done. People are waiting for them. So yeah, my faux what's the word? Mosaic planter. It's heavy. And that's about it. Although, hold on. I'm there. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, my word. I thought I was organized, but I guess I'm not. Oh, here we are. Because some of you lovely pottery friends brought me coffee. So I am going to have to mention ABB Grace from Australia, down under. Thank you so much. Audrey Lynn from Audrey Lynn Studios, who also has a YouTube channel. Audrey Lynn Studios. We are teasing each other a bit with talent, but she really is multi-talented. She plays the flute, she does watercolor and ceramics. Go follow her. And some coffees from Tara. Thank you very much. It is very much appreciated. Just in case you haven't seen this lovely box with a lock, I'll put a card up there so you can watch the video of how I made this one. And now I'm going to get to work and get those orders out, and I will be starting to work on items for my coffee shop as promised. And I will keep you informed. I'm going to add some more services on my coffee shop when I have fired and have something to show you. So keep track, stay tuned, get muddy, have some clay under those fingernails, or be creative in any other way. It's good for your soul. And be kind to yourself and to each other. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.